Hey guys, and welcome back to today's trading recap, where I'm gonna show you the trades I took today. I took three trades, one at the 2 a.m. candle and one at the 10 a.m. candle. Let's get started with the bias for the 2 a.m. candle. We were bullish on the 4-hour time frame, but on the 1 hour time frame, I saw we had this nice fair value gap, this 1 hour fair value gap right here, and I thought maybe we can go short till this low right here, or right here. There was even a 4-hour gap, which maybe we wanted to get filled. So yeah, I wanted to go short. Above this 1 hour gap, we had even a 15-minute gap. And I waited and we chopped first a little, but then after London Open, we tapped the 1 hour gap and after that also the 15-minute gap. Then, as always, I scaled down to the 1 minute time frame and searched for my CSD. The CSD was right here. The last up move, the tap the Ferrari gap. And I entered after this candle. Stop loss goes 1 point above the high, and as I told you, my TP was this low right here. As you can see, we chopped out a pretty long time, and after that we got stopped out. Yeah, it wasn't a really good trade, a nice setup, but it didn't play out like I wanted to. Yeah, going forward to the next trade on the 10 a.m. candle. So, as I told you, my bias for today was bullish, and with market open, we pushed right high, and I saw we inverse this 4-hour gap right here. Yeah, it isn't good like this, but inverse of that. So this was confidence for me that we want to go higher maybe and take out some of these highs. So this was my TP for the 10 a.m. candle. I look for my Peter race. We had a 15-minute gap right here. And another 15-minute gap right here, which we made, was the first 15-minute of the 10 a.m. candle. So it's a valid 15-minute gap. And as you can see, we kept the gap that we made instantly. And can I scale it up? At 1 minute time frame, as always, marked down the CSD. We tapped here. So this was my CSD. But after we swept below, and so this was my CSD. Then I entered after this candle right here. Oh, I entered long. And my stop loss was around here. And my TP, as I told you before, it is daily high. And as you can see, we pushed up, but then after this big ass candle, we chopped a little bit and got stopped out. Yeah, but as I told you, we had this 15-minute gap below here and we swept it. And I saw at the time it was some minutes before the new 1 hour gap. A new 1 hour candle opened, so I marked out the CSD again right here. And we got instantly an entry, and I put the stop loss here. my TP for this trade wasn't this TP as it from before because yeah, it was a little bit late and there wasn't too much volume, so I put my TP right here at the 4 hour at 10 a.m. 4 hour open, the 10 a.m. high of the 4 hour open, and yeah, 3.9 R. As you can see, we pushed high, and then we opened the 11 a.m. candle, and I thought maybe this is the manipulation and we want to go lower. So I put my stop loss really fast to break even, like around here. And as you can see, we tapped it some minutes later, and some of my accounts got stopped out very fast at break even, but other accounts, which I had a better entry, like around here, didn't stop me out. So the price moved up and I didn't get stopped out. And then later we made this 15-minute candle down and pushed above. So we had a new high. And if we had something like this and we would my stop loss underneath the last 15-minute low, which was this low. So my stop loss was 1 point underneath this low. And as you can see, we swept the high. I moved my stop loss to here, and with 1 minute, a big ass wick of this 1 hour 1 minute candle, I got stopped out instantly. Yeah, I took out 1.5 or it's okay, but maybe this trade would have played out. It would have been still valid, and I think we're going to sweep out this high. So we would have made 3.9 R, but unfortunately only 1.5. But I mean, it's okay. I'm looking forward for a good trade today. Maybe we become some good longs, or maybe if we take out some of these highs back here, maybe also good shorts. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one, and bye.